In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user groups in Zendesk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a group, choose the right settings, and add the right people so your support workflows stay clear and efficient. First, open the Zendesk Admin Center. This is where all of your configuration lives, and it's the safest place to make structural changes that affect agents and tickets. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and head to People. From there, go to Team and then select Groups. This page shows every existing group in your account, along with options to create new ones. To add a new group, click the button labeled Add Group or Create Group. You'll land on a setup screen where you can define what this group is for. Start with a clear, descriptive name. Think in terms of function rather than individual people. Names like Billing Team, Refunds Queue, or Tier 2 Support make it obvious who should be in the group and what kind of tickets they'll handle. If your organization uses naming conventions, such as prefixes for departments or regions, stick with them to keep things tidy. The description field is optional, but it's helpful for other admins. A short line like handles escalations for North America, weekdays only gives context without anyone needing to guess the group's role later. Next, add members. Under Add Group Members, click the plus sign next to the agents you want to include. You can search for names and add as many as you need. Aim to include only the people who genuinely work in that function so ticket routing remains accurate. If you don't see someone, confirm they have the correct agent role in your account. Only eligible users can be added to groups. Now choose your options. Set as default will automatically add all new team members to this group. Use this if everyone in your organization should belong to the group by default, or if it's a baseline group used for general routing. If that's not universally true, leave it unchecked to avoid adding people who don't need access. Make It Private is available on enterprise plans and permanently restricts ticket visibility to members of this group. Because it can't be undone, turn this on only if you're certain the group needs strict confidentiality, like for HR or security-related tickets. When everything looks right, click Create Group or Save. You'll return to the Groups list where your new group appears. From there, you can revisit the group anytime to adjust its name, description, or membership. Remember, thoughtful naming and precise membership go a long way toward clean workflows and faster support.